Who do I like? Sometimes I like that President Trump. I'll be honest with you. Sometimes I like what he says. But make America great again? What are they going to make Babylon great again? You know. It's a dog's life, that's for sure. I don't really have voting rights as a dog. Everyone's like, oh yeah, land of the free, home of the brave, equality. Well, what about dogs? We can't drive, we can't vote. Talk about being a second class citizen. America's not made up of racism, it's made up of speciesism. You know? Everybody dogs the dog. I mean, even in the language. That's just, you know, it ain't right. It's just ain't right. That's all I'm saying. Um, but yeah, so no, I won't be voting at all. What can I talk about today? Wow, this is a boring video, huh? maybe I'm just not supposed to make one today. I can hear the birds. Oh, it's my favorite time of day. First thing in the morning. And the birds wake up and the sun comes. I'm a morning person. I'm not a night person. I'm usually asleep by 10 o'clock. Bagheera comes and he starts meowing. It's time to go to bed. It's 9 o'clock. He doesn't have a watch. He just goes by the light. And so when the sun goes down, he's like, it's time to go to bed. Come on. And he comes in, he lies down with me for 5 minutes and then runs away. I mean, he comes back later, but that's my life. Oh, hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO. The early morning podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am on a mosh. And please welcome this early bird, Mr. Nana BOOZHOO. Take it away, boss. Oh, it's a really pretty morning. Mino Giga Jeb, good morning. Welcome back to the show. And I was just thinking how much I love the mornings. It's a beautiful time of day. I don't know, Paul. Sometimes it seems like you're the only one who listens to me anymore. I mean, I think they call it the B story or a secondary story. It's just something to break up the main story. And, I think they use it just because they don't give the audience any credit. They think their attention span's only good for about a minute or so. I don't know, man. I just never saw myself as a secondary character. It's not what I wanted for myself. It's not what I wanted for my kids. Sometimes I just wonder, can I look at myself in the morning? And who do I see? I don't know. Well, thanks for listening. There are two types of people. Morning people, these are the optimistic types. These are the ones who, are ready to face the day. And then night owls. These are the ones who burn the midnight oil. Whatever that is. And, secretly morning people always look down their nose at night people. When I was growing up, the last person to wake up was always, "Oh, look who's finally up." Well, I don't know. I just don't know sometimes. And, I come from a long line of fishermen. And fishermen like to get up really early in the morning. They say the fish like to eat breakfast. So you got to get out on the lake and get out there before the fish wake up. And so it becomes a value in life. You should. Oh, also farmers. I come from farmers too, back in the day. And you got to get up early. And so the good workers are the early risers. The lazy people, they wake up late. Well, I mean, it's like herding cats. It's hard to maintain any kind of order. What am I talking about? I'm glad you were here for me. I just hope someday if you need someone to listen to you, Paul, you know where to come. You come right here. You call Muckwa, and I'll be there. I'm telling you. When a bear is your friend, is a friend for life. There's no better friend than a bear. Let me tell you that. They're loyal. They're protective. They call the Bear Clan the Muckwa Dam. The Bear Clan were the protectors of the Anishinaabe. Did you know that, Paul? I suppose you did. Yeah, Muckwa Indo Dam. And from the Bear Clan. I don't have a lot of friends, I'll tell you that. But I want you to know you can count me as one of yours. And I hope you don't mind if I'll do the same. Something tells me you won't mind one bit. All right. Got a little cough. I hope it's not the coronavirus. Hope I'm not part of the Holocaust. I don't know. La 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 la. Hey, you want to send us out, Miji? Oh, sure. Well, everyone, if you enjoyed this, let's try that again, boss. Hey, you want to take us out? Well, I'd be honored, sir. Hey, everyone, if you'd like to support the show, you can always click a link to PayPal, leave us a tip, or become a patron supporter of the show. Become, sign up on Patreon. Anyway, let's let me rattle on. Just want to say thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nama BOOZHOO podcast, all about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Anamosh, and I will see you again. Igawaba man, Menawa. I never thought that I could feel this way, and I've got to say that I just don't get it. I don't know where we went wrong, but the feeling's gone, and I just can't get it back. If you could read my mind, love, what a tale my thoughts could tell. Just like an old-time movie about a ghost from a wishing well. In castle dark or a fortress strong with chains upon my feet, the story always ends And if you read between the lines, you'll know that I'm just trying to understand the feelings that you left. I never thought that I could feel this way, and I've got to say that I just don't get it. I don't know where we went wrong, but the feeling's gone, and I just can't get it back. Oh, that was great, Michael. Hey, thanks a lot.